Valencia, Spain, meron pong galyon o barko. Tatlo ng simbahan ng kapatid, doon din po yung taon na ginawa po siya. So that is 1720 to 1725. And there are unknown art.
The Nuestra Señora de Remedios. What stands in the altar today is the statue of the Virgin Mary, brought from Spain in 1624. The church has a Baroque style.
Let us now pray. At nais ko lang po kayong welcome lahat sa aming pong parokya ng San Vicente de Paul Parish. At kayo po ay...
Yan. Siya lang yung walang bahid ng kasalanan. Kami mga marupok, kami mahina, tao lang kami. But precisely, I guess this is also what the message of the Immaculate Conception tells us, the faithful. Bagamat it is a unique privilege for Mary being the Mother of God, but the mere fact na si Mary, si Maria, ay taong kagaya natin, ipinapaalala ng kanyang kalinisisang paglilihi na tayo rin, kung si Maria, taong katulad at kaisa natin, ginamit ng Diyos bilang instrumento upang maihatid si Jesus sa mundo, maisilang mabuting balita sa mundo. Tayo na tao rin kagaya niya, kaya rin nating mapagtagumpayan ang anumang kasamaan, kasalanan at tukso, sa tulong ng grasya at awa ng Diyos. So, that is the message of the Immaculate Conception and the challenge for each and every one of us, especially for those who have devotion to the Blessed Mother. Okay? So, we have some memorabilia of the Marian year, 1954, prints, medals, some medals of the Immaculate Conception, stampita. From the collection, from my collection, so these are 170 of the most beautiful medals in this museum. Bukod yung 500. So, okay, so 1830, Miraculous Medal. 1854, the Proclamation of the Dogma. Punta naman tayo sa taong 1858. Please move forward.